Alright. What's going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back to the stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back, people. Welcome back to another London session. Let's see who we got in here. We got in here, what, 14, 15 people already? Look at that. Beautiful. You guys are ready. Riley, what's going on? Welcome back. Let me just let the guys in on Zoom. Zoom. Alright. Share my screen. Hey bro, how are you today? I'm good, thank you man. I'm good. Hope you're doing well. Where are we at? Cool. Alright. Welcome back, Zoom fam. Good to have you guys back on stream. Let me just share this over here.
How we doing?
Hey, how's it going, man? Let me just make sure we're on. You guys can see my screen. Yeah, cool. Morning, Aaron. Hope you're doing well. Good morning, Vivian. I'm good, thank you. I'm good. I hope you're doing well as well. By impression of a trade. I think is that the one I sent on Instagram? If so, I think it was a nice liquidity play from what I saw off the top of my head.
Trying to find your...
Yeah, I think so. But yeah, we got. I've just seen we got CPI today, so you know if we get some movement, we'll stay on. But I'm not really expecting too much for London. I don't really like to trade on days where you got CPI and unemployment claims. But though, you know, it'd be good to still jump on and kind of see what we got going on, see if we do get some movement or not, because you never know. Sometimes when you expect the markets not to do much, can sometimes be when it ends up having to move. I'm just gonna get rid of all these levels here on Goldie. Just gonna clean it all up. Start from scratch. Let's get rid of this. What's that? Nasdaq. Yeah. All right. Let me bring this 30 over here. Let me just make this 5 chart big. Make sure I got rid of all the levels. Let's get rid of all of this. Look at that. That was an absolutely insane run yesterday on Goldie. Absolutely crazy run. I had some longs from here. I cut it way too early. Let me move this over here. There we go. But yeah, let's clean it all up. Let's get rid of all of this and start from scratch. What an incredible bounce that was on gold. Absolutely incredible bounce. What's up, everyone? What's going on, Harry? Good to have you back on the stream, man. Alright. Start from scratch on Goldie. YouTube fam, drop a little like for the stream. CPI. Yeah, CPI today. CPI, unemployment claims. Let me just get trading view up here. There we go. Cool. I've just cleared all analysis, so we're gonna start from scratch. We'll have a look at some pure price action here. I took a very small buy on gold yesterday, just from here up into here. I should have held runners because it was an absolutely ridiculous play. But yeah, let's just and do live during CPI today, bro. Nah, I won't trade CPI, man. What time is it? Is it pre-New York? I think it's yeah, pre-New York. So no, I personally won't be trading it. I'm not really too interested in trying to trade news today. Especially, you know, with all the fundamentals that's going on with the war as well. It's like, it's just so much uncertainty. There's no bottom wick on this daily candle on gold. So no bottom wick coming into today is pretty interesting. Let me just see here. But yeah, yesterday on gold ends up closing pretty bullish. And you kind of see you got gold now retracing a lot of this downward move pretty quick, which was quite unexpected. Usually after such a big move like this, you can expect gold is going to range for a while before having a retracement, but it's, you know, you've had that fundamentals come out and you've just seen this just completely retrace all the way back up already after grabbing them daily lows. I believe that was NFP. You're already back up another 700 pips, which is just absolutely insane for gold. So obviously daily is very bullish. Yesterday closed bullish. Weekly right now is very strong, can change at any point. 4 hour is coming into this level right here. Oh yeah, apologies guys for the Wi-Fi that went out yesterday. No idea what happened there. I couldn't get it back, so I was like, you know what, leave it. But yeah, 4 hour on gold. Where's Asia today? Asia had a nice little. What day is today? Wednesday. Thursday today. Yeah, nice little bounce up in Asia today. 4 hour is very bullish on Goldie. Was Asia nice? No, not really. It's quite slow actually. Very, very doji. Trapping a lot of people. I expect on gold today, probably a lot of people probably tried to jump in shorts off that little rejection. Stops above there. I imagine that's probably a little retail trap today. Shorting that resistance, pushed higher, which is pretty nice. But yeah, gold is correcting up ever so slightly. It looks like you may start to see some pullback soon. Let me just go on the futures chart here. Futures 30-minute chart. It's pretty hard to draw any support and resistance because of the way that it's kind of creeping up so much. Yeah, you're gonna have some support there. I do think gold can pull back, but you know, with a day like CPI, it's pretty hard to say. Trendline coming up down here as well, so you can expect you're probably gonna see some manipulation come and grab some of this trendline on gold. Possible. So only really 30 levels I have right now. Can't really draw too much than that. 15 you can see is incredibly choppy. Let me just put this on like this. You got that there, and you've clearly just found some very noisy resistance right there as well. You got where's that trend line we were just talking about, like this. So you may see golds come down and spike out a little bit of this trend line, possibly. Which, what would that be? Yeah, potential 20 ticks. But that 15 bullish, bearish, with CPI and unemployment claims that I think you'll be very, very careful today. Like I say, on a day like today, I wouldn't even really be trading. But if we get some good movement, then sure, we can look to trade it. But you'd likely want to be at least reduce risk. I would say had some resistance there, a little fake out there, dipping back lower. It's too messy to draw any 5 resistance. But yeah, let's wait for a little bit more price action here. I think we can jump the gun too early today. We'll have a look at a pound. Let's see here, futures. Oh, when is this fan on? It's damn hot in here. Pound futures, let's have a look. Pound futures is finding some nice resistance. By looking at pound futures, it's looking like you could see a rollover soon. Dip back down on pound futures. How's that week looking?
Hey man.
Hey man, how's it going?
How's it going?
Good man. What's good? As in chat, what's good man? What's good? Yeah, pound futures is coming up into a pretty significant level. Whether it's going to be a full-blown reversal, unlikely, but you could start to see pound futures find some pretty nice resistance here. A big dip, that's on the daily anyway. Let's go down to intraday. It's probably going to be pretty hard to say before that news. You're very likely going to target these highs first. I think if you're going to see a move, you're probably going to target them highs. You got some nice, you had a nice little, that's a big liquidity grab yesterday off that PPI news. Pumped up much higher. But yeah, shorten where mid pound futures like overall back down into these levels. Excuse me, could be a pretty nice play. Like I say, whether it moves or not in London today, you want to be a little bit careful. Why is this over here? Let me bring this across a little bit. Why is that doing that? Let me just move this. It's off the screen. There we go. But yeah, big news today. CPI and employment claims. And you don't really have anything tomorrow, so tomorrow should be a pretty clean day. But yeah, overall, gold has just retraced this absolutely crazy move, which I did not expect to come in so quick.
Yeah, that is very surprising.
Yeah, very man, very. If you have a look,
Like gold usually one.
yeah, you would have expected to range for like a month or like a good couple of weeks at least.
Yeah, I was just counting the pips it retraced a few minutes back. Like
Platform disconnect from this phone.
almost retraced the 60% of the move.
Yeah, it's huge, man, huge. It's like a from this support, uh, from this support, it's like man, like another 700 pips back up. It's absolutely insane.
But out of 700, most of was like 3 to 400 was like on the opening day, like
Yeah,
Monday.
yeah, 100%,
That
man.
was due to the ongoing war situation.
Yeah, literally since market opened on Monday, boom, 300 ticks back up, and yeah, now hitting like 400. Fucking crazy. Oh, let's have a look at this analysis angel. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. Yeah, that's on the weekly. Yeah, man, it was looking like out of stretch, but yeah, honestly, that triple top could be absolutely huge and start break all-time highs. You know, I think once you break like 2,000, man, you could see that coming pretty quick. To be honest, I like that, man. It makes a lot. To be honest, it makes sense. You know, if that was on like an intraday perspective, yeah, you'd be like, oh, easy. So yeah, at any point, okay, have a look at this monthly. Let's have a look at the monthly. So last month closed. Closed incredibly bearish last month now. But then it did also find some big monthly support. But yeah, fuck, you get strong closures back above here. You get fake out of this support. Yeah, monster of a swing trade. Monster of a swing trade. I do miss having some swings in gold as well.
I did buy the lows like last week
No, man.
before and
Yeah, man. Literally, set off. Done for the year. Done for the year.
I was out like 70 to 80 whips. 70 to 80.
Oh, man.
I just wanted my account to get to break even like without getting a reset. So.
Yeah, good man. There's a nice bounce. Very nice bounce. Crazy bounce. It was so nice as well. Like before this push up, it literally wicked out all the daily lows again without, you know, you hadn't grabbed any daily highs. So buying off that support into these daily highs at least, yeah, it's fucking beautiful, man. 200 pips right there. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. What did New York do yesterday? I think New York had a pretty big push yesterday, I believe. I didn't watch it. Where was it? Wednesday. Kind of chopped actually. New York chopped a lot yesterday actually. Eventually had that big move at like 4 p.m. I think that was maybe FOMC or something. Or maybe that was FOMC back down. Let's have a look at Nasdaq. Let me get Goldie up here. I don't want to miss any Goldie moves. Back down at support. What did Nasdaq do yesterday? Nasdaq. Not a lot. Big chop day yesterday by the looks of it. Say I didn't trade New York at all, but it was a very choppy day on gold and Nasdaq. Have a look at the Russell. See what the Russell did. Big push down. Insane stop hunt there though. Absolutely huge stop hunt. Still overall pretty choppy. Let me just open this window, guys. 2 seconds. It is hot in here. Let me get this open. Is Kane here? No. But yeah, me and two of the guys from the community today met up for breakfast, which was pretty nice. Good to meet up with them guys.
Whom did you meet?
Mark and Kane.
Oh.
Yeah, we all kind of live in a very similar area, so we met up for a coffee, which was pretty nice. Good to meet up. Yeah, good to meet up, man. Same as anyone. Any of you guys on Zoom or YouTube in the Brisbane or Sunny Coast area, if I want to meet up for a coffee or whatever, I'm always down.
Yeah, I'm taking the flight right now.
Get on it, man. 12:30 daily high just recently got broken. It's now beginning to let support. Yeah. 15 may flip bearship. It's just so fucking spoke too soon. It's just so choppy. But I mean, if you can get breakouts of this level, then shorting into the trend line could actually be pretty nice. You want to see there's no top wick on this current 30 though, which is a little bit wary. Currency hasn't actually flipped just yet though. Did you have a sell stop in there? What would stops be? It's kind of like a double top though. Did just bounce off that support, but didn't really grab any lows. Yeah, I'd like to short it into this trend line. But like I say, I'm at least half risk today. If I do get any trades today in London, I'm at least half risk. What are we on YouTube? Let me see here.
Oh.
Where's studio? We're almost 100 subs as well off 9k. So YouTube fam, get them likes in there. Still pushing high, still stuck in this little range. You already got the bottom wick there. Where is this? Let me see how S&P's moving. What did S&P do yesterday? Came down but chopped a lot. No, I don't see any trades there personally. Before then ripping back up. Now coming for that. Yeah, S&P chops quite a lot. A lot of chop in the markets in the US session yesterday by the looks of it. I don't know if anyone did trade it, but it looked very, very choppy. Very choppy. I mean, if you can see this 30 flip bullish, you may have a trade because you just grabbed previous 30 lows just to continue pushing higher. What would stops be? 16 pips? Yeah, it's not a bad little play. You look at that. So you've broken above this level. You just came down. You wicked out previous 15 lows. So if you come and reflip bullish, I want to be not open to that. Yeah, you just liquidate them lows. There's a 5 minute looking. How long you got to the 30 close? 11 more minutes. Possible. Just to continue pushing up until that news. Not a bad little play. Stops is going to be about 17 ticks, I believe. Where would your targets be? That's actually not a bad little play. Targets back up at... Yeah, that's actually not a bad play here. 4 hour has been straight bullish for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours though. Has broken above. Targets would be this high here. How's the hourly? Correcting up. Yeah, you may retrace a little bit more. But gold continuation here is not actually a bad shout. Actually not a bad... Oh, is it going to flip bullish already? Fuck. I may be in a little half risk here. It's going to flip bullish in a second. Nice little double bottom grabs. Yeah, I like that, man. Yeah, that's nice. That would be a nice entry. Let me see it. You could have a half risk buy on the break of this current 5 on gold. I'm not going to be able to get in time. I don't think the fills are going to be very good today. Let me see if we can get a bit more of a bottom wick here. But yeah, this 30 may actually continue pushing up. If you're going to get volume and you re-break this high, you'd want to see it drive. You don't need stops any lower than this current 30 low. So on the currency chart, you could be looking for something like that actually. Oh, we get a nice bottom wick now. Yeah, sweet. All right, I'm gonna have a a buy on this current break of this 5 on gold to see if this 30 can continue flipping bullish. If this 5 closes back bearish, then I'll just close it. I'm going to have a buy on the break of this current 5 on Goldie. Stop loss will probably be somewhere around here. I haven't put in any stop loss orders just yet.
Yeah, I would advise you to top up your demo first.
Oh, I topped it up fresh every morning, man.
Yeah.
Fresh every morning, you know the score. If there's 5 close, so the 15 has gone bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. But this trade is going to be based off the 30 flip. So if this 5 does close back bearish, I will cancel and wait. But I still want to be open to the fact that this 30 can flip bullish at any point. Mine's on 92.9. Yeah, I got 92.8. Yeah, 92.9 is probably a little bit safer. But if it dips down much more than this, then I will cancel the order. But let's just see how this 5 is going to go. It's quite choppy. 30 was looking like it was about to flip though. So I may hold it into the 30, I'm not sure. Depending on how this 5 closes. Let's just wait for this 5 to close before we adjust. But if that 30 can have a continuation higher, you've got like 40 ticks, half risk. It's still going to be a pretty nice trade. It's just whether or not we're going to come and maybe grab more of this trend line first. Let's see. Let's see. How long you got? 7 more minutes till this 15 is going to close. 15's holding up support pretty nicely. But yeah, that level up here is going to be liquidity level for the day on Goldie. Let's see if this 5 can flip bullish and have a nice drive here. The only reason I'm going half risk is because of all the news we have later on. For me personally, it doesn't make too much sense to go in full risk before that news.
Half risk, 100 contracts?
100 contracts, man. Light work.
Yeah.
Light work, man. But if this 30 can flip bullish, you're probably going to see a nice drive here. 30 is going to close in like 6 minutes here. About 6 minutes.
Aaron, did you say it's $5 to open each contract?
Yeah, man. Yeah, 5 commission per contract.
And do they charge to actually close the contract?
Yeah, 5. Is it 5 each way? No, sorry. How do I not know this?
$5 for a round trade.
Yeah, so when you sell it, so if you go long and then you sell it back, then that's when you pay the 5. Yeah.
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 Okay, so it is 5 to both open and close.
Yeah, exactly, man. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
That's alright, man. No worries. If this 5 closes bearish, I will probably look to cancel this order. How have we got here? 22 seconds. Let's see. Yeah, alright. 5 minutes just closed back to bearish. I'm going to cancel that order and just wait. And that's the reason I like we put in these buy stops. If it doesn't flip bullish, we cancel. Look at that, getting completely engulfed back bearish. Wow, good one. How is gold? I can't see your message because I've got like a. How is gold in Quant Tower called? It'll be GCZ23. GC for gold, Z for December, and 23 for 2023. So 5 minute. We're coming into the last 5 of the 30. You know, if this 5 all of a sudden starts to be closing incredibly bullish, I'll still look to get in off this 30. I kind of just want to take this trade based off this 30. 5 is just for entry and more refined entries. I'm not really bothered about this bias. I've been seeing that the 30's been reacting pretty well recently, but the 5's been choppy, so I'm kind of taking the 5 with like a pinch of salt at the minute. GC said 23. Thank you. Yeah, that's it, man. No worries, man. Not worried. Oh, like this. Look, is this going to flip bullish at the last minute? This 30 can flip bullish, and it doesn't have a top wick yet either. Wait, does it have a top wick on the currency chart? No. Retesting there nicely though. If you don't flip bullish here, you may spike down a little bit more. But we'll react to that when we get to it. We'll react to what we're currently seeing first, which is a potential flip off this 30. How did I say the hourly is looking? Yeah, even hourly, yeah. Hourly continues to break the highs. Only problem is the 4 hour is pretty overextended. Could easily pull back. Yeah, if this 5 pushes up a little bit more here, we may have to get back in off this 30. 5 just closes no bottom wick. I don't want to miss this trade by waiting for this. Dick around again. Oh, you motherfucker. Are you about to flip? I got glare on my screen. So it's just flipping on the futures chart. I'm not in this yet. It just kind of just did flip pretty quick just then. I kind of what the currency chart hasn't flipped just yet. 5 is so choppy though. 15 is so choppy. 30 is okay. Stop loss would be like 10 ticks. See, I want to have a buy order in on this, but I don't like it on the future chart. I prefer it here on the currency. Oh, watch this 30 flip. Oh no, don't do it, Goldie. Don't be like that. Don't play ball today. Be nice. How's the 15 on this futures? 30.
There's a huge liquidity area up at 1897, which you could run up into.
Yeah, that's what I want to target, man. I love the target there.
I've been watching it since after lunch, not continually, but on and off, and it seems like it wants to go up.
Yeah, it does. It really does. I think a lot of people
waiting for something.
Yeah, that's the thing. I don't want it to just chop until there's news, but this 30 is looking quite nice here. I may just wait for a 30 bottom wick.
5's also grabbed the previous 5 as well.
Yeah. I really don't like this trend line coming up here because I think that's going to be spiked, but you never know. It doesn't have to be grabbed now. You could easily see this and then this whole move retrace later on today. But let's see. Let's go wait for 30 close here. If I was already in this trade, I'd want it to be flipping bullish already. So I'm just going to wait for it to happen. And if we get an instant bottom wick, that's fine. We'll take it and we'll have stops below this 30 low. But let's see if this 30 is going to close with some volume here. Because it is choppy, it does mean you can manage risk well. Because if it doesn't drive, it's probably going to give you a retest to cut it. Alright, there you go. So 30 has just closed with an incredibly doji candle with no bottom wick on this current 30. Although you did grab previous 30, you've wicked out previous 30 lows, which is nice. You haven't driven those. So if I was in this trade, I don't think I would want to be holding this. Look at that 5 minute. Unless this 5 can flip bullish, you take it back off the 5. 5 rebreak its own high. You can have stops at like 10 ticks. 5 5 is incredibly fucking choppy here. Excuse my French. A buy order. Yeah, I had a buy order in. I've just cut it though. I'm just seeing if we're gonna get another one. I cut my US 30 long before it dipped again. Similar P on gold, but yeah, it is, man. Yeah. It's just I'm skeptical that it's going to chop into this news. If this 5 pushed down a little bit more, though, I could have a buy order in this current 5. If it doesn't flip bullish, I don't care. Yeah, let's do that actually. I'm going to have a buy stop on this current 5. If it flips bullish, amazing. I want to see it continue. If it closes back bearish, that's fine. I'll just cancel. So I got a buy at 1893. Stops will be below previous 5 low. Like I say,
Mark, what's up, man?
Mark's in the house.
What's going on, man? Very good.
Yeah, see this 5 can flip. If this 5 doesn't flip, then I will wait. But if this 5 can flip, continuation of this 30 and hourly isn't looking too bad. Hourly's probably looking the nicest here. So if it doesn't re-break its own high now in this hourly, that's fine. You won't get tagged in, but if this hourly starts to flip bullish, we should get tagged in with a nice entry. So I'm pretty happy with this buy order right now. Risk is very small as well. Risk is like maybe $500, $600. To at least grab the lows. Yeah, I would like it to grab the lows. Well, thing is, you already wicked out these 30 lows, so if you come and re-break these, then you'll probably stop hunt a lot of this trend line, which I would consider also shorting into as well. I think just overall, let's see, overall, what's Goldie doing? Let's go 4 hour. Yeah, I think at some point you're gonna, liquidate these highs. But yeah, if you don't flip soon, then yeah, you could come and liquidate a lot of these lows, a lot of these 4 hour lows before pushing up. So this 5 here, sorry, this 5, where is it? This 5 here, if this 5 doesn't flip, that's my last buy order. If it doesn't flip now, I'm gonna wait for it to stop hunt some more lows, because you want to see it continue pushing already. So in 1 minute, if this 5 doesn't flip, I'm gonna be looking to cancel this order and just wait. Which is not looking like it's going to, which is fine. But to be honest, once we do stop hunt a lot of this trend line, buys up into this level are going to be pretty nice. Whether it comes in before CPI and unemployment claims, we'll see. But this 30 is looking nice here. $40 here. If it doesn't flip, let's just cancel and wait. And I'll probably wait for like the next 15 or something, I think. Yeah, cool, cancel. Pushing too hard, I'm out. Close, close, close. Cancel that order. Search for GCZ23 on the quant tab, but it says no data. I'm not too sure, man. That's what I'm using here on Ninja. Change a trend, let's have them see last night. Like this whole week. Yeah, I kind of agree, Joe, I think, man. Kind of agree. Yeah, big gap, man. You still got a big gap. You still got no bottom wick on this current weekly as well, which is pretty interesting. It is very, very interesting. There you go, 5 flip back bearish, yeah. Let's go wait for a 5-minute breakout now, I think. $15 still bouncing off support nicely. I'll be annoyed if this 30 flips though. Because, you know, this, if I do take a trade here, it would literally just be like a very quick like bounce from here to here, like 15, 20 ticks max. I'll take it from there to there. You know, I'm not looking for a big hole today. Mainly just from experience, Riley, and seeing the times that it does flip. 5-inch charge is nasty. Yeah, it's horrible, man. It's horrible. But yeah, like, you know, if I was in this 30 flip here, I would have wanted this 30 to close with a nice body to have that nice continuation back up. But, you know, when it starts to stall like that, I know that it's not a worthwhile hold. When I get in trades of like 30 flips, you know, if it doesn't close with something like this, then, you know, it can just kind of range for a little bit more. You know, breaking these 30 highs here though on this current 30 is still not a bad little play. But I think we just need some more volume. We need to see some more volume. I do want to execute some plays, but we got to let them come to us.
The volume or stepping out, you just said that.
Ah, literally, look, I think this fucking 30 is gonna flip, man. I swear. Five minutes re-breaking them highs. Stop loss would be below this current low, like 7 pips. Target's like a 1 to 5. I'm new here, but I think it's going to go bullish. Damien, what's going on? Katefi in the chat, man. Yeah, I would like to see it go bullish as well. I just cancelled like 3 buy orders on gold longs. That was the second buy order. Where's 20 ticks? 20 is like up there, so it doesn't even need much to catch 20.
Are you okay? I'm all good, thank you very much.
There you go, look at that fucking 5. Typical gold, man.
Oh, he's wrong,
literally. As soon as I cancelled 3 orders.
Naz did the same thing. I was looking at a 15 flip because it grabbed the lows.
Naz. To be fair, this did come back to entry. I'd be looking to cut. Naz. Because on gold, the hourly what was nice because we weren't even flipping off this hourly yet. So break of the hourly highs. Still got quite a while. Let's just see how it's gonna go. Yeah, potential bottom wick on the next 5. Yeah. No, gold, man. Look at that. There's 20. There she is. Fucking hell. Maybe break even there. I mean, if it can give a bottom wick, I will look for it, but I won't be surprised now.
Naz is doing the exact same thing.
Yeah, look at Naz. Look at that push.
That 15 grabbed and it had no
days.
top wick and I had an order in, but then the 5 didn't flip back bullish, so I pulled it exactly the same as what I was done.
Oh my god. I literally knew it was gonna fucking do that. I wanted to do it to do it here. So flip bullish, bearish, and flip off this one and fucking drive.
This market execute the highs really right.
Look at that. Oh, look at that 5 close on wet days. Alright, gold, have a good one, mate. See you, man. Caught 10 ticks. Good job, man. Good job. We eating today. Do you have edge on other commodities like oil and silver? Nah, man. I used to trade oil, but nah, I don't trade anything else other than gold now. I literally only trade gold, man.
I grabbed quite a bit in that last one, only because I wouldn't recommend anyone do this, because it was bull, bear, bull, bear. Okay, next one's going to be bull.
Yeah, it's not bad. Not a bad idea. Worked out pretty well.
I don't recommend it.
It worked out the market.
Yes. Bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. Yeah, it's pretty
All
good
though,
strategy.
Stocks only go up. It's the rule of the universe.
Where did you get buys from, Drew? Did you get it from like down here, or did you get like the break? Did you just take it from here?
It was where are we on the fives? Yeah, at the
Down.
top of the
Here.
that one.
Yeah,
the top
nice.
one.
Yeah, nice, man. Nice.
Good flip.
Yeah, good flip, man. Lovely trade. You got 20 ticks there. Look at that. What a bastard. I literally.
Must be nice, hey?
Yeah, it must be nice. Fuck it up.
I'm only trying to make up what I've lost so far.
There you go. 20 tick smash. Look at that. Gold, man. Take a along the bottom of the 15 doesn't have that far to drive. Yeah, I mean you could, but you're not going to get as nice of a risk to reward then. Because if you get long off the next 15, your stop's probably going to have to be pretty wide. Whereas on this one, you know, stop was only like here 6 or like max 10. A max 10 tick stop loss on this. You already got like a 1 to 2. Whereas if you get it now, you know, targets. It's still 20 ticks into the highs, which is nice, but it's more so stops is going to have to be a little bit bigger. I mean, NAS could have a continuation back higher. Oh man. Look at that owlie now. That owlie's going to be looking beautiful. Yeah, look at that owlie. Yeah, fucking hell. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at that, we've got $2,000 in like 10 minutes. Look at that, or at least 1,000 if you went in half risk. You got $1,000 right there in 10 minutes.
If you were targeting 1897, that would have tapped what's like 45 ticks.
Yeah, you could literally just trail here now, lock in 12, and let it rock all the way to that TP.
Did anyone take it?
Yeah, so some of the guys on YouTube got it. Must be nice.
That's it. Nice.
Drew got the break of the high as well.
Go on, lad.
Missed it. Yeah, that's all good, man. Dang, I second guessed myself as well. Yeah, man, it was a. I knew this run was going to come in. It just made so much sense. You re-grab previous 30-minute lows. Nice little bottom wick again there. Re-break the highs. Yeah, nice little push. $200 up. Good job, man. Good job. Very nice. Trail stops. Take some partials. You know, overall target is going to be on the futures chart 96.7, or call it just 97. You're probably going to tap that pretty nice. You're going to get like 40 plus ticks. Pretty crazy run. But man, if you just want to take fucking, excuse my French, 25 ticks, pre-CPI and everything like that, man, take it.
Chilling.
Chilling, yeah, you're chilling, or trail stops below 5-minute low, and you're laughing. Yo, Aaron, have a look at silver, pretty randomly night. Yeah, I've had a look at it before, man. Yeah, spreads are very, very large, but no, I'm not really a big fan of it. Why is it not coming up? Sorry. I just don't think it gives me any other setup that gold doesn't already give. Actually, 5 minutes probably nice there on silver actually. But nah, I just think gold's good enough for me. I love gold. Yeah, I love gold, man. Yeah, I saw the trade. Gold futures is literally all we trade. Some of the other guys trade like Nasdaq, stuff like that. I personally literally just trade gold. I've only traded gold for like the past like 4 or 5 months now. And it's been, yeah, just trading gold has been amazing.
What about this 5 flip into the highs? It's looking a bit cheeky. It's 20 ticks.
Yeah, it's the flip of the 15 as well. It's definitely a trade. It's just stops is a little bit. Stops is a little bit. He'd just be squeezing them 1-to-1. Literally stop trading indices, only trade gold and the game changing. Yeah, good man. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, if this 5 comes down and grabs previous 5s, then yeah, that would definitely be a worthwhile trade. I mean, you could even, like, you know, you flip this current 5. You still, you know, hard stop would be there, but I think you'd be cutting it way before then. So yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, silver spreads are ridiculous. Yeah, absolutely huge. Yeah. Recommended contracts on gold with 100k. I'd try trade like 5, man. I traded 10 or 150, but trading 10 is, you got to be able to manage your risk very well. So if you trade 10 contracts, you know, your max daily loss is only 30 ticks, which is pretty easy to hit. So you have to manage your risk very, very well. Yeah, I'd say just stick to, you know, 1% as always. 1 to 2%. I never really go above that. Hey, if this 5 can grab these lows, yeah, I will take this. Been trading you for a while. If there's something really common, is that profitable trades, trading more stuff only. Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. When I first started trading, I would trade. I don't even know why I still have this. It's nice to look at, but I used to try and trade all of this shit, man. I used to trade all of this, and I traded pretty well, but not for intraday trading and scalping. Yeah, 1 to 2 instruments is all you need. You can trade more if you want. Like if I was trading indices, I would trade Nasdaq, Russell, and the Dow, and that's it, and trade whichever one's cleaner because each gives cleaner setups each time. But for something like gold, yeah, I think gold can move well in pretty much any session. That's the reason I like it. You can
catch small moves too and bank off it.
Yeah. Catching 10, 15 ticks on gold is nothing. You just smash like over 20 there. Like even from this support to that high, you've already got 10 ticks, 10 contracts, $1,000 in like 5 minutes. Even this play here, you've already got like what? Say if you took it at 20 ticks, you got $2,000 in like that. Short of 10 ticks, good job, man. Good job. If this 5 can grab this low, you could consider a split, to be honest. I would love it if it could, though. I don't think it's going to, though. Slippage can be pretty bad. Yeah, it's only for forex, man. It doesn't happen on futures. You already get slipped that much, man. But yeah, forex, absolutely. We swing trade only gold. Where's your message? It's hidden. Made a lot. His position lost like 1 or 2 days average. Yeah, that's good, man. Yeah, I used to swing trade gold a lot for like sometimes a week before I scalped like this. Swing trading was my bread and butter for a very long time. Yeah, swing trading gold is. I mean, swing trading gold. We were looking at it today. We went for lunch. It's just like, man, it's so simple. To swing trade gold, like I was just saying today, like, you know, when gold came back down to retest all these levels, you know, you get long from here to here. It's like 200 ticks. It's very simple. It's just gold. That's the thing. Gold always moves. Like people think gold moves incredibly complex, but it actually doesn't. You just have to have the balls to hold gold and know that it flips at like the last couple of seconds. You just have to know how to trade it. But overall, as long as you wait for closures on gold, fuck, it moves. It moves pretty simple. Like this little bounce here, you know. Talking about this little play, broke above 30, retested, break 30 highs or 30 retest. You got 30 ticks right there. Oh, nice. If you get a nice bottom wick here on this 5, yeah, you can look for breaks of this 15. Before this 15 creates a top wick, if you come and grab these lows, yeah, that'll be another entry. I'll take that. Need to give futures a go. It looks cleaner. Yeah, futures is way better, man. Ooh.
Just not having spreads. That's the biggest thing.
Yeah. No spreads is a fucking game changer. I would never go back to forex. If you're like, if you're scalping gold, you're scalping like, 15, 20 ticks. You can't afford to give back, like 2 to 3 ticks in and out. I'll pay $5 commission all day over that. If you can grab these lows on gold before greatness top wick, so come and look at it that low, I will go long. For me personally, indices have been a game changing. Yeah, amazing, man. Yeah, indices are better as well. I mean, indices and gold is better than any other currency pair for sure. How do I sign up to Ninja Trade in Australia? Ask for citizen number. Yeah, just use your tax number, man. You can just use tax number. Oh, there you go. It's reflipping already. Motherfucker. Obviously,
That would be
futures.
really nice if we grabbed it.
Yeah, I actually I would have taken that. If it still can, I still will. I still think it will. If we can get like a dip, then we can look for like buys from around here. That'd be nice. I would still take that. Because you still, you do from like, even where you're sitting now, you still got 20 ticks up into them highs. Had a gold long from 1813. Oh man. Oh, futures. That's a huge hold, yeah. I can't even go for that far back, yeah. Yeah, down there, yeah. You hold, I mean, that's the thing, you hold even a runner from down there. Like if you trade Forex, like a 0.1 lot, 600 pips is going to be a very nice position. You don't have to hold it full. Like, you see a lot of these SMC traders claiming like 1 to 50 risk reward. They're not holding full. I can guarantee you they're not holding full.
They got a 0.5 pip stop loss.
Yeah. 1 to 50 risk to reward. But just hold runners, man. If you want to hold your trades longer, hold runners. Whether you're first, as you start to hold runners, just hold like 5% of your position, and then get used to holding 10% of your position, and 20%, and then 30%. Just scale your way up, but don't beat yourself up when you don't hold full. No one's holding full. I can guarantee you, these people who are claiming these risk rewards are not holding full. That's why they hide their 0.1 lot, 0.01 lot. How do I do a futures chow? Go on. You can do it on Top Step, man. I would do a Top Step trial. The links pinned at the top. Do a free trial on Top Step. Because if you're gonna go into futures, you may as well jump into Top Step before risking your own money, unless you got a lot of capital. Get used to Top Step. Get used to futures. Get an account on Tradeovate is probably going to be the easiest to use. Tradeovate or Ninja Web App is probably going to be the easiest to use. People who got them long, is anyone still holding? Anyone still holding that long?
Yeah, I'm in. So,
Ooh, good man. Good man. Good man. Ooh, nice man. Oh shit, that's actually quite big, man. Nice.
Yeah, I can't remember where I got in, but I'm minus 120 at the moment.
Yeah.
But I'm using the paper trading in TradingView.
Yeah.
Probably haven't got it set up very well because each time I open a trade, it goes minus 120.
Oh really? Yeah, that's weird.
Yeah, so I'm starting behind the 8 ball on each one, and I thought, okay, well hopefully that might make me better.
Are you on one of these brokers, or are you just on the actual TradingView paper one?
Yeah, the paper one.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it, man.
And I've got it at 500 units, and it's...
Yeah.
I can't tell whether each pip is either $5 or $10. I'm assuming 10 because I've heard you mention 10 a lot. But it automatically does the negative 120 or 125 just to open the trade.
Yeah, I'm wondering if that's like an FX broker where it's like spreads as opposed to a futures one.
Yeah, it might be.
I think it might be, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, no, that's fine. No, thank you.
That's right, man. No worries. Good hold. Good hold. Still holding. Good, man. Top Step has demo. Okay, dope. You're making your futures look juicy, bro. Man, I promise you, if you move to futures, I promise you, you will never go back to
Game
Forex.
changer.
Promise you. I don't know one person who's moved to futures and be like, nah, I don't like this, I'm going back to Forex. I don't know one person. It sounds
Go
even
back to
stupid to say it.
manipulation.
Yeah, go back to absolute fucking fuckery. Fake brokers, bullshit spreads. I mean, no, there's nothing wrong with trading Forex. You're going to trade Forex. There's nothing wrong with trading Forex for like 5 years. But yeah, to me personally, if I'm just going to trade gold, it makes no sense to trade on a Forex broker. It makes absolutely no sense. Does Top Step have indice futures? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, you can trade Nasdaq, you can trade the Russell, trade S&P. You can trade loads.
Even some currency pairs too.
Yeah, you can still trade currencies on Top Step as well. Let me show you. Yeah, it's true. Like, you know, even though people want to trade Forex, like, so if you want to say if you trade Euro US dollar Forex, you know, you can trade Euro futures. So if you go here, Euro futures, and you can trade this on Top Step as well. This is literally just Euro USD. Same as if you look at pound futures. Basically just GBP USD, like exactly the same. Same as if you want to trade Australian dollar futures. So you can still trade currencies if you want to. But let me see if I can share this here. There you go. So yeah, you can, in terms of equity futures, you can trade obviously S&P, Nasdaq, Russell. You can trade the Dow as well. You got all the currencies as there: Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, the yen, AUD/USD. You can trade the Mexican peso if you want, New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc. You can trade obviously oil, natural gas. You can trade E-mini oil as well, which is good. You can trade some platinum if you really want, and you can trade the Dow. You can trade some bonds. You can trade gold, copper, silver. Yeah, there's literally, you don't need anything other than what Top Step offers. And I have no bias towards this, but Top Step is hands down outweighs any Forex prop firm as well. Doesn't even come close. Does not even come close. 1-step funding process and only 6% to pass. And it's like $100 a month until you pass. So if I pay $50 for a month for a 50k account, all I have to do is make 3,000 and not lose 2,000, and I can go for it as long as it takes. Yeah, you can take as long as you want. If it takes you 1 month, that's all you pay. If it takes you 2 months, you pay $100. Takes you 3 months, so be it. There's no rush. No rush and no pressure at all. That's why I love talking about and promoting Top Step. Not because they pay me to talk about it, it's because I genuinely love promoting them, because I think they're fucking great. And it's rare for me to talk good about a prop firm. Take it wrong. I traded on FTMO for a long time, and FTMO is still great as well, but I still believe Top Step are way ahead of the game, and it's created by real ex-floor traders, not some random kids in their bedroom that might go under tomorrow. They've been around for like over 10 years and paid out like millions. And like I say, once you move to futures, you'll not go back. If you even want to keep you could keep Top Step for just trading gold, and if you still want to trade some like currencies like pound, yen or something, still keep that separate. You can play it however much as you want. You can have up to like 450,000. I think there's quite a few funder guys in the community as well. The good thing about Top Step as well is, like, you know, if you get funded and then you break a rule or something, you know, you just paid $99 and then you can reset it and go again. You don't have to pay, like, you know, FTMO $1,000 every single time. You pay $100 reset and then you can be funded again by the end of the week. Trading single 150k. Yeah, I have 150k. I would like to scale up to 450 at some point, but I've just been in my personal quite a lot recently. But yeah, to scale it to 450 would be much more worthwhile for sure. And using a trade copier, you do it way quicker.
The 5's just grabbed on gold.
Yeah, look at that fucking volume.
Yeah, I'm keen to explore the trade copy.
It's good, man. It's really easy to use. It's really easy to use.
I wonder if I could link it to that that other combine I've got on the Windows that I can't use.
No, it has to be on the same broker, unfortunately.
Uh,
If you can get your Windows set up, man, you should just fucking take some just crazy trades in it and just wing it.
Yeah, I'll have a
Yeah,
10
literally.
contracts.
Literally, man, I get 10 contracts on CPI today. You're gonna give me some pro signals for the 50k? Well, this was it today. You know, like if you caught this move, 20 ticks, 10 contracts, it's like $2,000. Chilling, you're done for the day in 10 minutes. If you trade, even if you trade 5 contracts, there's $1,000 in 10 minutes, and that's all you need. That is literally all you need. Come on, Goldie, give us a play here. Boom, boom. Man, we literally had like, I think I had like 3 buy orders on that play up. Did I have 3? Can I see the orders I used to have? Yeah, let me see it. Today. Can you not see it? No. No, I can't see any orders now. That would have been a lovely snipe on stream again. But yeah, you guys on YouTube, drop a little like to the stream. We're trying to hit 10k by the end of the year. Get the stream pumping. Get that YouTube algorithm going. We'll take over the London sessions. Whoever still streams London, that is. I saw saw Mr. Roger Banks had like a 6-figure trade on gold buys yesterday, which was pretty fucking insane. 6-figure trade on the gold buys. I think he had it on the 15. We said. I think he had like buys from like here and like covered up here. I think it was from down here somewhere. 100 pips, 100 contracts, $100,000. What a guy. What a man. Look at that gold, he's still pushing high, motherfucker. Look at that, if you trailed that 5, you'd still be in this as well. I personally would already be out, but I still think the more you tease, what time is it? You just had the London opener as well. See this Audi close, yeah, Audi's closed bullish. The more you tease around this resistance, the more likely you're going to see it spike into it. Because this will be a level where, you know, if I was me 5 years ago, I would be drawing something like this, and I would be saying, cool, gold is at resistance, let me take a sell, and let me put my stop loss just above the resistance.
Have your little Google Images Forex pattern chart.
Get my PDF book out, start looking up some Porsche dealership near me, and I'll be looking to trade something like this. So anyone who's trying to short here, the more you reject here, amazing, the more likely you're going to spike up into it, and that will kind of be the next play. You haven't grabbed previous hourly highs yet either, which is nice. So if you can dip down a little bit more here, let me get rid of this position now. Did you just grab previous highs on the currency? No, a little double top, nice, yeah. So if you can spike out these lows, I still think there's a continuation opportunity here on gold. It's only a live fund account because Combine has 1 to 2 tick difference sometimes. Do you mean like spreads? The only time you'll get like 1 tick less fill is if it's in a session where there's not a lot of volume. Like today, pre-CPI, I don't assume there'll be a lot of volume, so you're not going to get... I don't know, maybe you would, but the execution is not going to be as on point as it would be in like New York, if that's what you mean. Same as Asia. But you know, if there's enough volume, the fills will still be like literally perfect. You're just grabbing previous 15 lows here. You haven't grabbed any previous 15 highs or hourly highs. So at any point you want to see this still flip bullish on gold. Even if you re-break these 30 highs, you still have like 15 minimum ticks up into them highs. I want to see a spike out this low before pushing higher. So anyone who did get long here, you probably just got taken out for like 17, 18 ticks. Beautiful. Lovely work. Go on, spike out that low, Goldie. Spike out the low and reflip bullish. You can have a buy.
I was just watching that.
Yeah. Spike the lows.
What candles? This is the new 15.
Flip back bullish.
Oh, it's a shame the 15 grabbed the highs before it dropped.
Yeah, so it grabbed previous, didn't it? So it grabbed previous. The 30 in hourly still hasn't though.
The 5 flip would still be a nice half risk because you've got a tight stop loss below those lows.
Yeah. Look at that dip back down now.
Oh,
So
while we wait
there's
for
that
new
hourly.
stop orders.
This could be nice here. This could be a nice stop hunt. Anyone who's in this long.
All the breakout says.
This is the what? First 7 minutes of this hourly London Open as well. We're getting a little bit more movement than I thought today.
10, like 15 ticks.
Yeah, look at that in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. Yeah, well, at least we got fucking Wi-Fi today. What day is it? Thursday. This week's gone quick, man. This week's gone quick.
But this might be a stupid question, but
No,
is
it's not
the gold exchange, or does the gold exchange have a lot of algorithms like the stock sides do? That kind of sort of drive prices, run prices.
People will say it does. I don't really think so. Like not enough to really control it. I don't think.
Okay.
Yeah, it takes quite a lot to move gold.
Yeah, because I have heard on stocks it's anywhere around 70% of the activity is coming from algorithms.
Yeah, which is crazy, man. It's crazy.
Yeah.
It's quite scary because them algorithms are getting fucking smart. It's very smart.
Yeah, I just want to program one of them.
Oh man, I wish.
I actually started out, I'm a programmer, and I started out doing an AI agent,
Nice.
AI bot. So it's still a work in progress, but it keeps me busy.
Yeah, it's good, man. Yeah, keep refining it. It's so possible to do. It takes so much refinement, but man, once you can crack it, oh man, you're chilling.
I'm trying to look at it as in, I think because my background was primarily 1 minute Bitcoin
Yeah.
scalps, to take that sort of approach that like, okay, you're in out in a minute, okay, if it's $20, great, not a problem.
Yeah.
Lose 50, make 80. So that's the sort of angle that I'm looking at the moment. So.
Yeah, no, it's good, man. It's an interesting world, like, as AI is getting so much bigger, like how it is going to eventually affect, all human trading.
Oh, absolutely, 100%.
It's going to put us out of business.
Oh no, but we can still ride along as well.
Yeah, definitely, man. Yeah, I don't. People always ask me like if I think with AI, will human trading go anywhere? It's like nah, I don't think human trading will ever go anywhere. You just have to adapt with it.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, it'll change, but it'll still be there.
Yeah, 100%, man. But yeah, I didn't realize that's how high of a percentage it is on stocks. That's pretty crazy.
Yeah, look, I mean, I can't guarantee it, but I do listen to a guy that seems pretty switched on.
Yeah.
And he puts out about 2 or 3 videos every morning on predominantly Tesla.
Yeah, nice.
And that's what he's been saying for quite some time. I was like, oh, really?
Yeah, it's interesting. I've actually seen quite a lot of people trading intraday trading Tesla recently. I think it's more on the option side, but it looks like it actually moves quite well. Look at that huge
It's been quite strange the last week or so because all the other stocks have been going down, and even to the point where a couple of days ago Tesla announced price cuts, and typically with those announcements before, the price went down, and this time it went up, and it's like, well, hang on, why is Tesla going up when everything else is going down?
Elon Musk is always up to some dodgy shit.
As long as I can ride that train, I'm happy.
Absolutely, man. Absolutely. What platform do you use for futures? I use NinjaTrader for personal and TraderVate for Top Step, man. If you're using Top Step, TraderVate is going to be the simplest to set up, and you can use it on Mac as well. Got in trading through making AI trading bot for a client. AI isn't quite there yet. Yeah, nice, yeah.
See you, Ron. See you, bro.
Man, enjoy, man. See you, man. Yeah, it's not there yet, no. You see a lot of Furus pretending to sell their bot. I haven't found one that isn't just complete and utter bullshit. We're off to the beach. Enjoy, Ron, man. Enjoy. Must be nice.
Ron's in profit. Ron's chilling.
If you've earned it, then must be nice.
I would say 99.99999 reoccurring AI bots that people have done are bullshit.
Yeah, 100%, man.
At the moment.
Yeah, at the moment, yeah. If you get a very good one, man, you're not selling it for $50 on Instagram, that's for sure.
Oh no, absolutely. And whoever actually does it, they will fucking keep it themselves.
Yeah, 100%. You go sell it to a hedge fund or something, make fucking billions. Lorentzian clarification. I haven't heard of that.
Oh, and excuse the French.
That's what we meant. Difference between two things. Lorentzian. If gold starts to find some support here and you re-break the highs, you still could see a nice bounce. I think you probably come and spike this little low one more time before though. I mean, if the fills are good, what do you have short against them lows? You could scalp a quick 10 ticks if you really wanted. You go to 5 to close, 30 seconds. Not a bad little trade. Scalp the lows one more time. But yeah, I would like to see this continue to push higher on gold. It's still 15 minutes till this 30 is going to push. 15 is going to close pretty bearish here. Nice top weight, scalp the lows there with Goldie. What do you just get there? 13 ticks. 15. So 15 has just closed bearish. Personally, wouldn't take any big shorts until you close like somewhere probably below here, even unless this 30 closes completely bearish and completely engulfs. Then you may look for gold to come and stop hunt some of this trend line. But we would have to wait for that 30 to close. There's that push on Goldie. Very quick little scalp there. 12 ticks. Regrab in previous 15-minute lows. Ron's mentioning the story. Good man. Ron's back at the coffee club. Nice. Dollar's bullish right now. Really, commissioners, be careful with longs and shorts. Yeah. Any trades I do take, you know, like this break here we spoke about, it would just be a very quick scalp. You know, 15, 20 ticks max, and that's pretty much it, man. Get your scalp and run. No real big plays today. No crazy hold. In and out. Where's Alan today? Where's Alan? What about the YouTube challenge? Harry has initiated the YouTube challenge. Alright, let's do it. Alright, YouTube fam, we'll continue the trading challenge. So if you guys want to take a trade for the account that we're trading, you know, well, let's start the poll. Harry's initiated the poll, so we're gonna ask. Harry's making you take a trade on a day like CPI. Oh, you already take a trade. Wait for more price action. So for anyone who doesn't know what I'm talking about, you guys on YouTube have been having the opportunity to trade a top step challenge for me, and if we do pass it, like I say, I'll be giving away access to top step to one of you guys. So you guys have to work together on this. If you want to take a trade, you can take a trade. If you want to wait for more price action, you can wait. Let me just get signed in here. It's a risky business putting my password on YouTube just in case you guys hack me. Someone just worked out my password. So the account is currently minus 2 risks to reward. You guys on YouTube had 2 losses in a row last week, but this is easily recoverable. So, like I say, you guys have to work together to pass this challenge. And if you guys do smash a trade, then I'll be giving away access to top step to one of you guys. You guys have to work together. So if you want to take a trade, let's take a trade. If you want to wait for more price action, then just say wait for more, and we'll wait for the next like 15 or 5 closure. You can wait until 1 day UK time. Yeah, wait for the news. Hold on till the news. Ooh, 50-50 so far. 50-50. How do we got? 16 seconds till we end the poll and I'll do it again. 55% saying let's wait for more price action.
What time, our time, is the news coming out?
10:30 PM, man.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, it starts at 10:30. I think that's it today. Yeah, unemployment claims and CPI all together. All right, the poll has ended. You guys on YouTube said let's wait for more price action. I personally think that's a pretty smart idea. So we'll wait for the 15 close, then I'll ask you guys again if you guys are ready. Do you have a group in Telegram? No, I don't have. Yeah, I have a free Telegram, but I just pretty much use that to post like updates of when we're on stream and post new videos. I used to use it to share all my trades for free, but Yeah, you can join if you just want to get updates of when we go live and stuff like that. I'm still looking to see if this 30 can continue pushing higher. 15's back down at that support there. Grabbing previous 15 lows, already having a nice little bounce off that support. 5 tick bounce. So what do I say? 61% said no, let's wait for more price action. 38% of you guys are raring to go. Trying to make me blow this account. I'll actually be posting the video probably tomorrow of week 1 of how the challenge went. And we haven't really taken many trades since then, actually. It's been either quiet in London or you guys haven't really wanted to take a trade yet. Yeah, it looks like London's not really doing too much, but I was still gonna stick around because, you know, it could have a movement at any point. I still think this, like I say, where we're currently at, back up into these highs is still like 30 ticks, which is still pretty nice. This 5-minute close like this 15 could give a nice little morning star here. Let's see if we get. Hopefully, we get a nice 5-minute close here. Because if this 5-minute starts to close bullish, you know, this 30 can flip at any point, which is kind of the trade I want to take. Say another 15-minute you want to leave, and the volume will continue. Happens a lot. Yeah, it's happened a lot recently. The volume's been coming in at like random times in the London session, not really at the London Open recently. Like a lot of my trades recently have been at like random times when I'm not even really on the charts. I'm just having to run back upstairs and take the trade. You know, like after my 2 hours in this London session, I kind of just set alerts and manage it whilst I'm, you know, downstairs chilling, having dinner and stuff. But you know, I mean, there was a nice push today, to be fair. It was a nice little. I mean, it wasn't a big push, but it was still you go to 20 ticks. I still think we're going to see this. Look at this 30 now. All of a sudden, this 30 could start to look bullish. 1 minute till this 5 is going to close here. Just breaking above that level and retesting, you've already got like another 12 ticks back up there on gold. If we get an instant bottom wick on this next 5, that could be a trade there. It's 5 to close bullish, nice 15 close. Little bottom wick and you may take this higher. Stops will probably be below this 15 low. Here's Alan. Alan's joined. Quickly before Alan gets in. So yeah, that's my 40 ticks for the day.
Hello, hello.
Yo, man. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the fun. I had about 3 orders on this gold buy today.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh, well done, bud. Go on, lad.
You're scratch golf yet, Alan?
I scratch my head a lot when I play golf. Does that make it?
But I want to hear from you till you're doing these ones. I want to hear from you.
Well, that's quite sad, to be honest with you, because I don't think you will ever hear it from me in that case.
Why have I not unlocked your character yet in the Zoom?
You have to be some badass to be like the Welsh Batman. Eh?
I'm in the same mind frame as before.
Dark, you know,
Retest
like-
previous playing combat trail line. You want the short
It's
trip?
just
That's good.
it's
Yeah.
probably the English weather again.
Yeah, it definitely is. Yeah.
Yeah, I know. And then fuckers sending it over to Wales. I know, I get what you're saying. I think that was the worst thing for me for the Thailand trip. Was making Mark aware that when he associates Wales with England, triggers me the fuck off.
Well, mate, if you weren't saying God save the time the Queen so much, then it wouldn't matter.
I'm in
But I
this
think it was a bit
half
too late for that
race.
one, pal.
You got buys off that 50. Yeah, nice. Yeah, that's exactly what I was just looking at. Angel, it's nice play, man. Literally bouncing off that support, man. There. So you're there just bouncing off that
I'm
support.
gonna do a halfie on this 5 flip.
Yeah, me too. I think
It looks
As soon-
very nice.
as soon as
without
we
no
get,
top weight.
because the 30 from like where you're currently sitting right now, the 30 still got like 30 ticks up into them highs, which is fucking beautiful. If I didn't break any rules and ran in profit at the end of the month in a top step account, will they carry that account next month? Yeah, absolutely, man. Yeah. You keep all if you like haven't broken any rules, you're like up 2,000-3,000, but not yet hit the profit target. Yeah, you absolutely carry it over. Yeah, definitely. Carry it over until you pass. No pressure, no rush on top step. Like I say, top step are probably one of the rare firms that is actually there to see traders do well. And they do everything they can to help see traders do well. Eventually, if you make money, they make money. You, Ian, Mark?
Yeah, I got in at 94.2.
Angel's got a banging entry.
And 5?
Yeah.
Scalping with
I've
Mark.
got. No, we'll see. I'm just gonna see how to manage it. I don't want to put stops below this current 5 low. Might go the previous 5 low at like 18.93.
Got in at 94.2. Very nice.
I'm probably
Yeah,
targeting 95.5, which is those highs.
Yeah.
Which is a nice little 13 tick scalp.
That's so good.
I want this candle, the body to close above 1882 on currency and 1894.5 on the futures for me to go in.
Yeah.
It's just
The 30 could flip
That's
fucking
what we-
nicely.
but it could flip from here. And then I'll miss it.
Sorry, mate, gold's not going anywhere.
Join the party, man. Join the party.
I have to catch up with you guys' 3 entries so far.
Yeah, no, three cancelled orders though. I must say. Had buys above these 5-minute highs here like 3 times, or two or 3 times above these 5-minute highs because I knew this was gonna fucking flip bullish once this 30 grabbed the lows. I was looking for this 30 flip, and then once it, I think this is my last high. I was like, this is my last chance. If it doesn't flip in this 5, I'm waiting. The next 5 comes in, boom, full TP.
How many times did you say
Is
last
this
time?
love gold.
3, 4, 5, 6?
Is this if this 5 doesn't close strong, I'll close.
Come on, mofo. Yeah, you got a lovely entry there, Angel. Already break even, managing risk. Look at that. Lovely, man. Beautiful.
Barbados.
So, I got extra nerves once I signed up. Yeah, I mean, listen, once I started doing like FTMO challenges, the pressure of FTMO challenges used to get to me a lot. But with top step designs, there's literally 0 pressure. Doji 5-minute down, Goldie. Doji 15, sorry. 30 is still looking pretty nice here though. 30 I still think is going to have a push up. Whether or not we come and grab some lows one more time. You're pretty much trapped between previous 30 high and previous 30 low. So if we can come and grab the lows first, amazingly you can be looking to play up into the highs.
Nice work, Angel.
I'm out 5 ticks. Yeah, good shit, man. Get your 5 ticks. Good shit, man. Why not? Take it. On a day like CPI and unemployment claims, take it, man. Get that 5 ticks. Did you buy gold? No, not yet, man. Not yet. Not yet. 30's just stuck in between previous 30 highs and lows. So I want to, ideally, I want to see the lows grabbed so then I can look for a big long. If we grab the highs first, then, you know, at some point today, this trend line is going to be a lovely short as well. So it's a matter of which are you going to grab first. Unless the 5 minute breaks this 5 minute high, I think you may dip down a little bit lower. I mean, if you do break this high, that's a potential trade as well. Stop loss will be wherever that low is going to be.
I closed Goldie when that 5 closed, and now it's pushing up.
Yeah, she's naughty. If it re-breaks that high though, you could see a push.
Sorry, Mark. Goldie had me the little weasel yesterday.
Yeah,
You devil.
she did.
Yeah, she was very cheeky. Very cheeky.
Naughty, naughty. Naughty.
You're teasing me, huh?
You're naughty, naughty.
I don't understand where the girl came from, to be honest. What was she thinking saying it?
I agreed with my buy hit 10 ticks was holding. Nah, I don't think I was greedy, to be honest, man. 5 minute close, nice and bullish. This could have had a much bigger run up. I don't think I was greedy, man. I think you traded it well, to be honest. Once that 5 flip bearish, then yeah, sure, then you cut it. But until then, it looked good to continue ripping them highs. Like if I had longs from here, yeah, I wouldn't be taking partials until you grab these highs, unless the 5 minute close like this. So yeah, I personally think that was good management, man. I don't think that was greedy. I think you had the potential to make like way more than 10. So to me it was worthwhile. You could have got like 30 pretty comfortably. Then you would have been pissed that you closed at 10. So
Yeah. Because then you could have potentially been cutting a runner.
Yeah, that's the constant battle that you get from trading. If you hit it at 5 ticks, you say to yourself, "Fuck, I should have closed at 10." Then if it hit 30 and you close at 10, then you would have been annoyed. So
Like, damned if you do, damned if you don't.
pretty much, yeah. So as long as you're managing it neutral, which I think you did there, I think that's good, man. I think that's good.
I'm looking at this NAS flip on the 30.
Did you grab them highs yet? Yeah. No bottom wick on previous either. Oh, continue back down to like 50, 380, yeah. I think that actually may flip pretty nicely.
I got a sell stop in below this 30 low.
Yeah, nice, man.
Just a little halfy.
Little feel for the markets. If we can break this 5 minute high, this is going to be my only next buying opportunity. Re-break this high, which is the liquidity high, so if it gets broken, you're probably going to see a drive. Break even around these highs, and see if you come and spike out these highs. Otherwise, spike out 30 lows. And some pretty nice calls this morning, considering gold's not really done too much. Just shows, like I say, it just shows how easy it is to catch 10, 15 ticks on gold.
Alan sharing signals.
Oh.
Is that financial advice?
Yeah,
Alan?
that is financial advice. That's saying gold is definitely going to go up. Buy it now. Yeah.
Wow, thanks guys. You both went straight to the jugular.
Gold's gonna go and grab those lows 92.4.
Alright, give me 2 seconds. guys.
There is a strong liquidity position level at 1892. And gold.
Gold it.
Go on, gold.
It's bang on 1892 or so. That's a nice level from across there, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I don't like the numbers are different in futures and currency.
Yeah, I know.
Right, getting annoying. But 1879 on currency? What are you saying?
18 where, sorry?
1879. Come out to take that out to them. Yeah, but
Yeah.
you've got a strong level on across there.
The 4 hour looks so exhausted. Oh, you have actually massively already grabbed these futures highs that I've been watching here. If you compare this futures chart and this currency chart, this double top has already massively been grabbed. So longing into that is now off the cards. It's already been grabbed here in the currency, therefore the future doesn't need to grab it. Doesn't mean you can't still keep pushing it up, but my target of buying into this double top has already been hit here in the currency chart. This is the reason you need to be watching the currency chart as well. So now I am potentially open to shorts. I do still think you'll probably rinse these highs one more time though, if you're going to see a big short. Still trapped within these 230, yeah, that's quite interesting. Nasdaq, sir? What about it, man? What about it? What have you got for us?
It's 15 pips down to the lows, man. No, yeah, it's nothing to be, turn your nose up, is it?
No, not at all, man. Not at all. Nasdaq though. Nasdaq. Hourly's bullish, 30's bearish. So unless this hourly flips bullish, you can see the longs into like 1460. But as it stands, I'd look for that continuation of the 30 until that 30 flips back bullish. Thirty's closed bearish, so trade what you see. If you want to go long, wait for breaks above there. You break back above there, amazing. You can buy gold. Nasdaq up into here. But until that, it trades below this level. Just go short.
Yeah.
Pretty much. Don't think too much. Just react. Like I say, there's nothing wrong with, doing your analysis and drawing up where you think price will go, but be willing to react to what you're seeing. Because that's all we can do here. Can't predict the markets, all we can do is react. $5 on Goldie still flipping bearish. You're probably going to grab these 30 lows here, I think.
30 lows. That'd be nice though. 30 looking nice.
Yeah, you could see if you just come back down to like 1891, and if you come back down there, you're going to be rebouncing back at this trend line, which means you're probably going to spike down even more.
This pulls back up to tap the previous high.
Yeah.
I'll enter a sell.
Yeah, you could short this current 5.
Mm.
You might.
And you could.
You wouldn't take a short right now.
Not right now, no. Yeah, right now, no.
You wouldn't.
are correct.
You wouldn't take a retest entry.
You just wouldn't
No,
like it.
not anymore. No, I will not. No. It's, yeah, you're quite right. So yeah, there's 200% correct facts right there.
When are gold futures most liquid? London and New York. Is probably going to see the most volume.
The previous fight then.
Yeah, break, because the 15 has a potential morning star here. If we can flip bullish on this 5, you know, you could long it all the way back up into like these highs up here. But these 30 lows are very likely going to get grabbed. Also, so the highs. So it's longs up into the highs. It's still 20 ticks. So. But in terms of when a gold future is going to be like most liquid today, you will be pretty careful today. There's not going to be a whole heap of liquidity in the markets before CPI and unemployment claims today. I'm unsure if I will execute any new positions today.
This is also a big confluence for me.
TP1 hit on themselves, TP2 hit. Oh, let's see. Yeah, I like that, man. Did you not get TP on this signal, sir? Six ticks? Yeah. If we just go back a little bit, we just put on there.
You're in.
Yeah, it stops the break even. TP1 hit.
Oh wow. Oh, go on. Go on, lad.
Got
Very
that.
nice.
And there's TP2.
He probably is, to be fair.
No, I was actually thinking about it, but I actually didn't.
I wanted it to up a little bit more, I'm not gonna lie. I was going to.
You're gonna take a retest entry.
No. Take that out. I was going to.
Yeah.
Off that one. Oh.
Trade in London, most futures are liquid during New York. Yeah, they are, man. Yeah, like I said, I literally just trade gold futures in London and pre-New York. That's it, and it's more than enough volume. I mean, you can even see here today, like, you know, gold bouncing up this support up into here's 30 ticks. You catch a move like that, that's you done for the day. You can enjoy the rest of your day chilling, whether you're in Europe or Australia, you're chilling, or even in America. What time is it? It's like 3 AM in New York right now. You can get yourself to bed, have a nice little line in the morning, because you've got your 30 ticks for the day.
What's the line?
If you trade London and New York. Find out your news. News is, well, calendar news, Forex Factory, or something like Financial Juice, or live news is going to be Forex Live. Forex Live is probably going to be the best one. I don't watch news. I don't care about news. I don't trade news. But it's good to know what's coming up on the day. He was, yeah. What time is it? 4:15. How's this? I mean, hourly overall on Goldie, still bullish. Bottom wick hasn't grabbed any hourly highs. So you will still likely see these highs grabbed if you want 30 ticks today. Alright, there you go. TP2 hit on them shorts again.
Damn girl.
Alright, let's flip the bias unless it breaks that low.
I need to run, everyone. Have a good evening or day.
Enjoy, mate. See you next time, man.
Cheers.
See you, mate. Just Just fucking dribbled. And what do you think about the 1 minute chart? Too much fuckery for me personally, man. I find on gold it's too messy. Like sometimes the 1 minute can look incredibly bearish, and then it can just completely reverse. It's usually because it's like 5 minute support. I think the 1 minute probably works better on something like NAS. But yeah, on gold for me, it's just a little bit too messy. Sometimes even on gold, the 5 minute can become messy. It's the reason I have the 30 and 15 here, because these are the only really two charts I'm really actually looking at. This is just to execute off what's going on down here. We have traded 1 minute on NAS before, but yeah, 1 minute on gold, I'm not really a huge fan personally. I think it has its place for other instruments, but yeah, from what I've seen on gold, pretty messy. Here he is. Welcome to the show. Oh, come here, buddy. Come here. You got
He just sits there, hey.
Oh, you bored?
You got yeah, you bored or something? Chart's not moving today.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, market's not moving. Oh, Dave, come on now.
You got any signals?
Don't be like this.
Jesus. Any
You know,
signals?
This gold is like a woman sometimes.
You got any signals for us, Sammy? Nah. Sammy's blown his account. Did you blow your account again?
Yeah.
Did you blow your account, Sammy? If we grab these 30 lows, there's still plays up into the highs. Jesus, your breath stinks. You need to get a job. You start paying rent. Start paying rent in this house, mate.
Stop contributing.
What do you do around here other than sleep and eat? Nothing. What? What? Bye.
Oh, me?
Me?
Nothing.
Just hanging around.
Can I do gold futures on NinjaTrader? Yeah, absolutely, man. GCZ 23 is all you need. Tell Sammy to trade for you. Just do complete opposite. You got millionaire, trust me. Hey, Sammy gives some good signals actually. Nice dog, thank you, man. Sammy keeps me sane. If you're struggling with trading, get a dog. Keep you sane.
I'm trying. I'm actually sending.
Really?
Already this morning, I sent 8 reels to the missus
Nice.
of a French bull mastiff.
A French bull mastiff. Let me see. French. Oh, they look. Let me see. Oh wow, yeah. Oh fuck, they're huge.
Yes.
Nice. Yeah, they're beasts. Yeah. Oh fuck, they're so cute as puppies.
Yeah, the puppies one. Yeah.
Yeah, I fucking love dogs. I'd get a second dog if I could. Not that I have the time for 2 dogs, but
I don't have the time. Yeah. I do either, but I'll make time. You know, even if the time with the missus has to be sacrificed, I'm willing to do that.
In Wales, are they like picky about having pets in accommodation, or are they like pretty alright with it?
Some of it, it's just like whatever, everywhere, right?
Yeah.
I think some people, I guess. Obviously, I'm not going to tell them the breed until it's there, and it's like, we allow dogs, but not horses.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it should be right.
Yeah, good.
Alright.
They can't actually
Um,
stipulate over it here. Like they can't in Australia. They can't say you can't have a dog in a
They
park.
can't?
No, it's like a. I don't say it's a law, but I think it is. You like legally can't say someone can't have a place because a dog, which is pretty
Wow.
pretty sweet.
Over here they can.
Yeah. They can in Jersey as well. Very against it in Jersey.
It's, you know, like, I can understand sometimes.
Mm.
But it's down to the owner, right?
Yeah.
You know, if the dog misbehaves, you have to, you know, correct the dog as like you're gonna correct a little one.
Yeah. Well, literally, it's literally like having a fucking baby. Honestly.
Yeah. It's like, you know, the other day, the little one with us, in my little corner, he crayoned all over the wall.
Oh shit.
You know,
Oh no.
it's one of those things, isn't it? I wanted to sell this down.
That's close to take live account only $100, then down 700. Yeah, don't trade. If you're gonna trade like live personal money, don't trade it at less than 5,000. Otherwise, you may as well just go trade funded account. Save your own money, and you can make way more. Any vision how to do futures trading on Ninja? No, I have a video on how to do it on Tradeovate, which is probably gonna be pretty similar. But the actual Ninja Trader desktop application, no, not really, man. I have used it before. It's pretty clean, to be honest. It's pretty easy to set up. I would recommend using it. But for my Ninja Trader, I use the web app, which is literally the exact same as Tradeovate. Looks like this hourly on gold just can completely engulf back bearish. So this close bullish, completely engulfing back. Didn't grab previous hourly highs, but about to engulf back bearish. Level 1 bundle market description enough. Yeah, it depends. Like if you're trading through Top Step, you don't need to get any bundles until you actually get funded. Then you have to pay for them. But yeah, on the challenge you don't need any. Hey bro, I'm back. Anything on gold? I see a chance of a buy.
Let's go.
No. Yeah, I saw buys from here, but buys right now. Nah, I think the more you come around this trend line, the more likely you're gonna stop hunt a lot of people trying to buy off this resistance of this trend line. So if you get a strong like 30 an hourly engulfing here, any top wick, and I think you'll probably drive this lower. It's also incredibly choppy. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna get like a super clean setup today, but yeah, I would be watching for stop hunts in this trend line. It's a little bit cleaner on the 15. You know, a nice 15 break anywhere below here, top wick, and you'll probably see it drive down and stop a lot of this trend line. Maybe even come back down to the second touch around here, like 45.
It's awkward when you call the move and it does it,
If you don't get it,
but there's no entry.
yeah, it's always fucking annoying. Look at that 5. What's some volume here? What time is it? 5
Yeah.
2. What's that? Oh, that's 13 ticks. See them shorts? TP10 hit on them shorts that I was talking about? If anyone got that? TP10 just got hit there.
1 tick per TP.
That's a nice little call actually. I'll take that.
To be fair, some of the contracts that exist, some of these cats actually enter with, I think my TP would be 1 tick.
$1,000 yet done out.
Yeah.
$1,000 per tick.
Oh my god.
Imagine. Well, that's what it is if you trade like what 100 contracts. No, what 100 contracts? Yeah, 100 contracts. Yeah. Yeah,
You'd have to even go to 2 ticks because the commissions would have you.
yeah, it'd be fucking huge. Yeah. $500. Fucking crazy.
Oh my god.
So you said if you want to trade with your own money, I should trade with 5k minimum. You also said if you don't not use a funding company, you can make more. I mean, if you trade on something like Top Step that we've been talking about, pinned in the chat, you can trade up to like 450,000. So you make 10% on 5k, you make 10% on 450k by doing the exact same thing. So all of a sudden you're going to make a lot more trading a funded account. You're going to build your personal capital a lot quicker.
It's a lot of Zinger boxes.
There's a lot of Zinger boxes, yeah. There's a very lot. I mean, the only reason I say trade at 5,000 is because if you trade a $5,000 account, as long as you're already consistently profitable, you can probably like make a pretty cushy earning. Like, you know, you can make some money from the charts. You're not gonna fucking flip the account into like 100,000 in a couple of days, but you could still trade it pretty well. But if you're not already consistent on a $100 account, having $5,000 or $500,000 is not going to make a difference. You need that consistency, and that's the only reason most people mess up with these funding firms. If you're not already consistent trading like a $500 account and having a $500,000 account, it's not going to change anything. You'll make more money, but you also get a lot more problems.
Make my losses problem.
Yeah, more money, more problems. Still.
That's why I made bookmarks then. Oh, take them out. 1892.
Nice.
God, it's actually quite bloody accurate, isn't it?
It is, yeah. It's very good, man.
Are they gonna stop fucking about?
It just makes sense as well.
Oh, really? Yeah. I can see a level on there without breaking them up, which is nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, is that white thing, the V-ball?
Yeah.
Wow.
The view app's good for stonks.
Is it?
Yeah.
Have you still got your little man? Your little stonk man?
No, sadly not. No. Sadly not, man. No. It'll be at home, back in Jersey, chilling. Yeah. No more stonk,
Just
man.
hanging around?
Just hanging around. Stonk. Where did I get him from? Stonk figure. I don't even know if I got that thing, but there it is. There he is. Yeah, he was quality. He did give me some. He gave me some great luck.
Have you taken your Arsenal mug with you?
No, that's long gone as well, unfortunately. Here he is.
No.
Here he is.
Well, there.
There's your boy.
He beats
That's
the
what I should have got for the dashboard of my car.
Quality. Yeah, he's back in Jersey. Doing a 100k challenge. It's my second month hitting the target. We've done 6k. Amazing, man. You did it on futures. You already funded.
Good man.
Yeah, good man.
Okay.
Come on, lad.
Alright. Go on, lad.
How do I get a funded account? You can click the link in the link pinned to the chat. There's like 70% off Top Step at the minute, so like you can start trading a funded account for like $100 or something. It's very cheap. That you just closed bearish on gold.
Sorry.
That's right, man. Go on.
I still haven't heard anything from Ninja also.
Yeah, it's annoying, man. I keep fucking pestering them. Keep pestering them mofos.
I might have to. Right, what is gold?
Well, now that the 13 hourly has completely engulfed back bearish, I would like a top wick to go short, come and grab some previous 5 highs, and I would like to short this trend line.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd like to short that trend line. Because anyone who is jumping in longs right now is going to be jumping in longs off this trend line. And I would like to be shorting into that. So if you can grab these 5-minute highs, it's going to be a nice short area.
Is it a retest?
Yeah, I think so, man. I reckon.
We'll have to.
Retest, retest. Yeah, 30, yeah, 30's pushing nicely.
I like how the previous 30 closed quite strong
Yeah.
in regards to the previous candles.
Mm-hmm. Go on, Goldie.
Take that previous. Yeah. Take that previous out.
Yeah, grab previous 5, it's going to be a nice short area. Potential little head and shoulders from this region as well. It's retesting this little level right now. It's also a nice level to be open to shorts, but I would love to see it spike into here. Doesn't have to though, this is a nice level right now. But if it flips from here, then I'll just take the break at the low instead. If I'm going to take a retest, it has to be up here. Otherwise, if, like I say, if it bounces from here, I'll just take this breakout.
Yeah.
70% off
You
the
are
149.
correct as well. I've been trading this on the big screen and
Yeah.
traded it on the laptop is much better.
Yeah, charts on the big screen, man. Be cleaner for you.
Yeah.
70% off the 149. No, so if you click the link, you've already got the 70% off, man. A quick rundown of what you were doing, absolute noob. It'd be too much for me to jump in depth now, unfortunately, but keep watching the stream and, like, you know, go watch some of my previous trade breakdowns as well. It'll make a lot more sense. If you're brand new to trading, there's a lot of value just tuning into these YouTube streams for free. You don't have to buy anything. But also go watch a lot of the previous YouTube videos and trade breakdowns as well. There's a shit ton of value in them. Excuse my French, but there's a lot of value in them.
Oh, hello.
Hello?
Come on, man.
Yeah, this is nice. Look at that bounce off that support. Anyone who's jumping along here is going to have stops down here. I'm going to stick around for a little bit longer because I'd like to see a short here.
Yeah. Hello. Top banana.
Anyone who is long off this support is going to be buying here, and they're going to have stops right here. I would love to short from this region. If it doesn't come up that high, that's fine. I'll just take the break at the low. It's also not a bad place to short right now, because you're grabbing previous 5-minute highs. No, your live so popped on. Ah, come on. Good to have you on stream anyway. Good to have you on stream. But yeah, if you're brand new, just keep tuning into the streams. Like I say, the more you sit here and watch me break down gold, the more it'll make sense. You'll pick it up a lot quicker than watching a course or something like that. And usually I'd be off by now, but I'm just sticking around a little bit more because I think there's a potential short here on gold.
Yeah.
Oh man.
on, baby cakes.
Yeah, give it to us, Goldie. 15 about to flip. Yeah, I may have to take the 15 flip. There's no top wick on this 5 though, so you may just spike up a little bit more. But yeah, I'm going to get rid of this 15 trend line because we know where it is now. We don't need to keep watching it. It's kind of hindering a little bit for me. But yeah, 15 break of these lows, like, you know, at least down into this support is going to be a nice little scalp here. 5 minute is giving me signs that you may spike up a little bit more. But if the 15 flips and the 30 flips, then that's fine. I'm going to get rid of these levels. We all know there's a trend line on now, and that's what we want to be shorting into. Let's just look at some clean price action here. Yeah, I think this 30 might flip. Yeah, I didn't want to see that either.
Cringe.
Yeah. Is this how you make your living, or do you have a day job as well? Yeah, this is how I make my living. My main income is, I have many of other incomes, but my main income is trading yet. I haven't had a... Last time I had a full-time job was probably like 5 or 6 years ago. Back in Manchester. More jumping longs now. Yeah, I think so, man. Well, you just got that top wick on that 5 now. So if you break this 5, this little current 5, then that's going to be the nice opportunity because this is a nice 3-pin pattern now. If you break this 5 minute high, you'll probably see a push up much higher. So to see some breakouts from this current region is going to be quite nice. I don't know why I have this low marked down.
There'll be another job opportunity in Manchester soon also.
Who for?
Ten Hag is going.
Who?
Ten Hag?
Who's that? I'm out of touch here.
My new manager.
Oh shit. Shit, didn't even know that's what he's fucking called. That's how out of touch I am.
Yeah, I was gonna say you have been. For a long time.
It's been a while.
Who's the Arsenal manager?
Arsene Wenger or something?
That was actually good.
Thank you, thank you. Isn't
that was funny.
that what he's called? Is there a discount code, or do you just hit the link? Yeah, just hit the link, man. It'll take you straight to it. Take you straight to it. If we do get sells on this 15 flip, we can have a nice tight stop as well. I'll take the break of this current 5 of this 5 flips. Oh, is that a little cheeky double bottom I see? I think it is.
On what?
Then it's just grabbed.
Yeah, so if you break these highs, yeah, you're gonna push up a little bit more here. But that is quite a juicy double bottom. 34 ticks away as well.
Who is this?
Because the 30 is at a very nice level here. Yeah, you can start throwing some projections from anywhere in this region. Got 10 seconds, those 5 to close. I think you'll spike up a little bit more. But I think this could be a nice little short here that I kind of want to stick around for. 35 ticks. 5 just closed bullish, yeah, fine, it probably spike up. Alright, give me 2 seconds, guys, run to the toilet. How far are you gonna go, Goldie? How far are you gonna push?
Pulling back a bit now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's coming up to this 15 level. Did actually previous 15 lows get grabbed? Oh yeah, he did. Yeah, he did just wick out previous 15 lows, but he didn't on the currency chart. I mean, hourly is still bearish, so to me, unless you break back above like here, I think it makes sense to just play this little range. It's not a bad little level to start looking for some shorts, to be honest. It's the last 5 of the 15 as well.
Even if it just comes down to like 1888 on the futures.
Yeah,
It's
I'll
decent
take
trade.
that. I'll take that. Even if you short into this 30 flip, you're gonna get 10 down into that support. Yeah, 25.
Yeah, like that's a decent drop down now.
Yeah, it's a worthwhile range, that's for sure, man. It's a very worthwhile range.
15, if the 15 can close below 1892 body,
Yeah.
we might see it drop. That's my 10 pence.
This Trade Zeller looks pretty clean, I can't lie.
The what, sorry?
Trade Zeller.
Crude Oil.
Yeah. This is journal I've been seeing everyone use. I think it's created by an ex-trader. Does it have Ninja? Yeah, it does, yeah. Username Forex.
How much is it?
Yeah, I was thinking if it's too much, I don't know if I'll use it that much. I'm just signing up to it now.
Pricing.
Like, it looks cool, but I don't know if I really need it. The performance.
$33 a month.
Yeah, it's not bad.
What is
So
it?
you
What does it
literally
do?
journals it for you.
Yeah, so you upload your data straight from your. So you upload a CSV file from your broker straight to TradeZella, and it kind of breaks it all down for you.
Oh.
$49 a month, yeah. I might give it a go. Have a little play around, maybe. I don't really need it, but
Oh.
it seems pretty cool. Oh, look at that 5 still pushing there. So how would I get my previous? Oh yeah, download a CSV. Yeah. Nah, I'll give it a go. Why not?
Then you'd be able to replace your Excel, hey?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, man. Yeah,
Take the manual out of it.
yeah. I'll just give it a go for a month. Look at this 5-minute push on Goldie.
Yeah. But if it gets
Oh man, oh man.
I might just marry to the shorts now.
Nah, I don't think so, man. The hourly flipped incredibly bearish. I mean, it's it's in a little shit range. Like, it's not going to do too much, but I think for a little scalp, unless there's hourly reflips back bullish, I think it makes sense to continue doing it.
Yeah.
But the 15 has just closed bullish and no top wick. Edge Wonk's pretty good too. Yeah, I've heard of Edge Wonk before. Yeah, I've heard of Edge Wonk before. Choose your broker, Ninja. My
I
trades.
wonder if you can do multiple accounts with the one subscription, like a Ninja, say, personal and a Top Step Tradeovate or something.
That would be cool. Let me see how it went. Yeah, that would be cool, yeah. Without paying for like 2 subscriptions.
like a lot.
You need to say that again, just as you said it.
Okay, what did he say?
Look at this guy.
Oh.
He said it's a hard life. Look at him.
Look at him.
He's got his shell necklace on.
Good man. What a guy. Good man, Joe. There was an error. Please export from the execution tab in Ninja, not position tab. Alright. Go to accounts, performance.
I'm looking at 30, it's just bounced off that support.
Yeah, it's so hard. You bounced off it so well.
And it's gone up 18. Oh, sorry, 20.
Yeah.
Just gone off that. Bounce. Boom. What?
Hi, in this video, I'm just going to go ahead and break down how to export your trades from TradeAway and get them into the trade seller.
Yeah, if he keeps pushing, I won't stick around for too. I did want to stick around and see if we can get that short, but it's not looking like we're going to get it, to be honest. I think it's just going to keep. If it reflips back bullish, then you're probably going to get a lot of fuckery before the news.
Yeah. You know, if you like zoom in,
Yeah.
it's like a trend line come down on the 5 minute.
Like
Is
down
it-
here.
Yeah, is it steep? Is it too steep though?
Yeah. No, not really. Yeah, so yeah, grabbing that liquidity.
If you zoom in, it's alright.
Yeah. Let's wait for. I'll wait for this 30 close. See how it closes.
You know, if it breaks higher,
Edge roll, you can have
breaks
multiple.
above
Nice.
1882.5. I've got no small targets. The only target is then it's up to like 1896.
Yeah, is that still that double top there on the currency chart as well? Edge roll, you can have multiple accounts. Yeah, that's good, man. That's good.
Holy cow, I'm gonna throw my phone now. Jesus.
Orders this month. Oh, there you go. We're up and running.
That quick.
Yeah, that quick. Yeah. How do I share this? 100% win rate this month. Look at that. It must be a guru or something.
Oh. Go on, man. Can you teach me, please?
Yeah, $1,000 per hour.
Oh.
Yeah, it's pretty fair.
Is that like with a discount code or something? That's pretty cheap.
Yeah, that's with 50% off as well, man. Yeah, it
shit.
expires in about 10 minutes.
Oh, okay. Hang on. Let me get my wallet and throw it at you.
Yeah, I literally just drag and dropped the data in, and it's right in.
What's the code?
How do I?
You got the love. You got the love.
Yeah, this is pretty cool.
Right, what are you doing now?
Yeah, not much really. Not much, I don't think. Not much. How do I share this with you guys? Let me. This is quite cool. I don't know how much I'd really use it. I don't know if I keep paying for it, but kind of worth just setting it up, I guess. I guess it's quite cool. I guess it's pretty cool to be able to see it.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I guess it's pretty clean.
But knowing with your expertise and your computer knowledge and wizardry, I reckon you could do that yourself.
Yeah, that's what I was literally. Yeah, I reckon I probably could. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool idea, though.
You wouldn't.
Go on.
I'd pay you $6 a month for it.
All right, I'll take it. How do you?
Marcus, are you in?
Marcus? No.
Yeah, Marcus. He's talking to his mate Joe.
How do I update last?
We're not good enough. Alright, okay, fine.
Yeah, see how it is.
We get it. Keeps on pushing.
Yeah, if it keeps on pushing, I'm not gonna. I'll stick around for this 30, but I don't want to trade too late into that news. Update execution. 4 hours.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, look at that! Yeah, I got September stats in there as well. Hmm. Average win and loss 2.6. Change it to 45. 45, man, yeah. Your zealous score 96.4. What does that mean? What's your zealous score? Yeah, I got September. That's pretty cool, yeah. See you in New York. Enjoy, Harry, man. Take it easy, man. I'm going to shoot off soon as well. Enjoy, man. Enjoy. How long we got to this 30? It's going to close like 5 minutes. Yeah, I can wait for this 30. If this 30 recloses back bullish, you may either come and grab the highs or you may just chop. It's very possible just to keep chopping.
I hope not. Margo was just jump from that support in.
Yeah, man, oh man, it's like fucking hell. Execute off that and see how it goes, and you've already got a pretty nice fucking trade.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm fucking hungry, man.
Marcus genuinely looks like the New Zealand flanker right now. the way that he's grown his hair and his moustache. I'm trying my best here to get a photo of him. Like, he genuinely looks quite fucking similar. Where is he?
Dickheads. Oh, sorry.
Talking about yourself again.
Oh, I just need to say, Ron and Joe sitting on a beach, and you can probably put
Yeah.
the rest together.
I'm fucking jealous, to be honest. Like, I got fucking FOMO. I'm very jealous. Oh, Ron's joining.
No, I'm good with this weather right here.
I still haven't unlocked your character. Look at these two turkeys.
Where are they? Where's the cams? Look at that.
Turkeys.
Living the dream.
Dickheads.
Look at that. Must be nice.
It must be nice.
Must be nice. Oh man, that's fucking stunning. Oh, I'm so fucking jealous. I want to go fucking travel soon.
Look at him. Joe's put a special necklace on.
Yeah, it helps him trade better, I think. Dude. Oh, big UFC on the weekend.
Yeah, it's a shame about the time, hey?
Yeah, I know, man. It's almost worth getting up for, though.
Is it the KSI fight as well this weekend?
Oh shit, yeah, it is, yeah.
Or is that
That'll be a big one too.
What time is it? 5 minutes. Oh, it's not too bad. This is the last 5.
The 30.
I might have him.
Oh.
Mm.
40 seconds here. Look at this gone Goldie. I don't think this is going to Trump just yet.
Not in track 6. That's him. There he is.
Who is he?
Marcus.
What do I do?
Yeah, it does look like it.
That's a good looking bloke.
Yeah, look at the guns on you, fella.
Go on, mate.
FX book is free. If you mean, yeah, my FX book, yeah, my FX book's fine. I don't trade Forex though, so.
No.
No, sir. Whether or not I don't think I'll keep paying for this, but it's just seemed pretty clean.
I reckon you can do it yourself.
Yeah, it's not really giving me much that I can't do elsewhere. I mean, I probably have to play around with it, to be honest. It's got like a whole journal of stuff, but it seems quite time consuming. I don't know. Maybe it's not. You can edit widgets
You
and
just do
stuff.
it on a weekly basis, I wouldn't try.
Yeah, well, I mean, the good thing is, like, you literally go from Ninja, you export your performance as CSV and literally drag and drop it, and that is literally it done. I'm just more like, how much am I actually going to sit down here and analyze this? Probably not that much, to be honest. That's a big 15 wick on gold.
Yeah. I think we can go up to 1896 now though. Now we're just pushing. Or do they think I'm done more? I think it's gonna go higher.
I'm about to send 17,000 baht to a Thai lady from Marketplace. What can go wrong?
And if it was the first place we stayed in Kent.
In fuck it.
Didn't you have like, weren't you like missing doors?
Who, me or Mark?
No, Marcus.
What do they do?
That first apartment you booked in Phuket when you came and met us. Wasn't that place like dodgy?
Yeah, it was fucking disgusting, bro. Didn't like that, mate. Oh, what do you want now?
Totally tempted out.
Yeah, well, there's no Swift number, you turkey.
What, should I call her a turkey?
Oh, man, you work it out.
She's your mate.
called Jewels and Jonkra. I'll ask her for it now.
Go on, Jewel.
Yes, right, in a bit, mate.
Joe, you getting into C or not? I bet he's not. He's too scared to go into C.
His hair will get
I
wet.
can't.
I was just about to say what the heck.
Have you grown yours back yet, Howard?
No, God, no. I'm old, bro.
How old are you?
It's never growing back. I'm not a turkey, man.
Yeah, next retreat in Turkey.
Yeah. You do that?
Mm-hmm.
That's how
It's
they
going
grow
to
back.
retreat.
Go fun, darling.
I know I'm getting started.
Oh, there you go. I can't actually like it. Do you know when it's like, well, it was Thailand actually, and I had it like razored off.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I like it razored off now.
It looks smart, bro.
No, when it's done there, I should grow it back though and spike it up. I might look a bit taller then.
Alright guys, I'm gonna shoot. This guy isn't really doing too much here. It was looking like we were gonna get a continuation, but it's low volume. I'm not really gonna sit and watch this do nothing. But yeah, I'm gonna catch up. Oh wait, what time? Nah, I'm not gonna trade New York today. I was gonna say we'll jump on late for New York, but there's no point. There's news. I'm not even gonna trade it. I'm not even gonna watch it. But yeah, Zoom guys. I'll chat to you guys in Discord.
No,
Enjoy.
tomorrow.
See you guys. Bye bye.
So yeah.
See you, man. Bye. Bye. YouTube fam, gonna wrap up there. No trades today. We're very close to taking that 20 pip scalp on gold. But yeah, price has just gone choppy. You got CPI unemployment claims later on. And I'm personally out for the day. I'm not going to trade for the rest of the day. I got a one-to-one call with one of the guys in the community. Had a pretty good week so far. I'm not going to force any trades. And then I'll see you guys on YouTube for tomorrow though. Same time again. London session 7 AM, 4 PM Brisbane time. Tomorrow and every day next week. So I'll see you guys then. Trade safe, be smart. Do not trade during the news later on. Don't be a retail trader, be smart. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll do it all over again. Peace.